The Kenmore 12-cup programmable coffee maker is designed to brew a generous 12 cups of coffee, perfect for both families and small gatherings. With its programmable timer, you can set the coffee maker to start brewing before you wake up, ensuring a fresh pot of coffee is ready when you are. The aroma control feature enhances the flavor by steeping the coffee grounds before brewing, resulting in a richer and bolder taste. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks attractive, but also saves countertop space with its narrow profile. The coffee maker includes a charcoal water filter and a reusable gold-tone cone filter, promoting a cleaner brew and reducing waste. The glass carafe is dishwasher-safe, and the non-stick warming plate keeps your coffee hot for hours, adding convenience to your daily routine.